Okay, hey guys, welcome to another video, and today we're going to so we're just here today. This is a new recorder. I'm not using quick template anymore, and if you didn't know that, I'm sorry, but it was glitching too much, and I really need to use this mic. Okay, we have total silence now, so that's good. Let's go to parties and go to the Beta Galaxy Arcade. Okay, so it's pretty cool here. Wait a minute, let me see here. And of course. Okay. I'm a party fox. Okay, so we're just here. A lot of food here, and yeah, that's all we're going to look at today. Let's have something else than that. Okay, this is like the same thing. Okay, we have to. Oh my god, somebody else came here. Let's go here. Yes, I know how to make the phantom. I'll tell you how to do it. So first you're supposed to choose color. I'll choose white, and then you have to do black, white, and black again. And then, wait, ta-da, it's a phantom. Hope this video helped you. It's not even supposed to be a tutorial, but who cares? That's how you make a phantom one, and yeah, and then that's it. So goodbye.